Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so we have two conditions here. First, we have to do some calculation based on the lens, and then we'll do some calculation based on the contact lens. So before starting the problem, we need help of equation 23.8, which gives us a relation between the focal point and the image and object distances. Now, first of all, let's find out the um, far point of the eye. And by far point, we mean that if our object distance is at infinity, where will the image be? So for lens, let's mark the object as DOL, and that's going to be at infinity. And and we need to find the focal point. So we know that if the object is at infinity, our focal point will be equal to our image distance. And we can say that because if we write this equation in terms of lengths, we get something like this. So that's the object distance, then this is the image distance for the lens, and then this is the focal point. And if this guy is infinity, so this term goes to 0. So we have DIL is equal to the focal point. And if that's the case, we know that this value is minus 26 centimeters. So that means the image is actually forming in front of the eye, or in front of the lens. So let me draw a little diagram here. So if this is our eye, and if this is the lens, so the image is actually forming around here. So that's why there's a negative sign here, because it's on the opposite side of the eye. um, right, so now if we know the focal point, we know that the distance from this lens to eye is 1.8 centimeters. So that means if we want to put a contact lens on eye, that means we need to shift the lens by 1.8 centimeters. So our new focal point will have to be 26 centimeters plus 1.8 centimeters. So for contact lens, our focal point should be, uh, also we take the absolute value here, so that's why it should be 26 centimeters plus 1.8 centimeters, which is 27.8 centimeters. And if we want to put that in the equation, we can do that. So in terms of contact lens, we can say that the equation will be 1 over d object CL plus 1 over d image CL equal to 1 over the focal point. And since again this guy is going to be infinity, so this whole term will go to 0, and we'll have d image contact lens, which is equal to the focal point. And since we already claimed that the focal point is 27.8 centimeters, so our image will form at that distance. So it's going to be negative 27.8, since again the image will be forming, so image will be here, which is in front of the lens. So yeah, that's our image distance when we're using contact lens. Thank you.